It's complicated. Hindi lang po yan relationship status, kundi pwede ring ipanlarawan sa politika sa Pilipinas. Ngayong nalalapit ng eleksyon, isang kakaibang card game ang ginawa para mas maipaintindi ang iba't ibang taktika para makakuha ng boto. Kabilang na mga Manoy dirty tricks. Live mula sa Quezon City, si Dano Tingkungko may paandar.
Jessica, sabi nga nila, no, sa bawat patimpalak, no, sa paligsahan, may the best person win. Pero bakit kaya dito sa nilalaro namin na card game na Politricks ay may the worst person win ang labanan? Okay, next.
Sabi nga nila, ang diskarte, isa sa mga salitang Filipino na walang katumbas sa ibang wika. Kung tutuusin, maganda sana ang kahulugan, dunong sa para-paraan. Pero pagdating sa politika, ang diskarte, paano kayang mas tumatalab ang kahulugan?
Sa isip at sa salita.
Kung sisipatin ang dapat tama election campaign ng GMA News and Public Affairs sa mga personalidad tulad din na Governor Gary Palan, Mayor Deli Encia at Congresswoman Mimi Hasa, madaling maintindihan. Pero tunay nga ba nating nauunawaan kung paano tayo binibilog ng ilang politiko makuha lang ang ating boto? Ito ang naistalakayin ng larong Politricks. Mukhang ordinaryong card game lang sa unang tingin pero maraming sinasabi sa ating politika. Sa mundo ng Politricks, mistulang mga traditional politician o trapo ang mga manlalaro. Mga kandidatong iba-iba man ang anyo, gagawin ang lahat para mihan ang boto. Paano kamo? Pwedeng suhulan, siraan, plastikan o demandahan at snap election para tapos ang usapan. Sa restaurant na ito sa Quezon City kung saan unang malalaro ang Politricks, nagpaturo kami sa kanilang game guide.
The person with the funniest hairstyle starts the game. But I don't know.
Jack and Poy na lang.
The object of the game is to have the most votes. So to win the election. So the game ends kapag naubos na yung votes at kapag may nag-play ng snap election. So pag may nag-play ng snap election, parang count na ng votes kaagad.
We really want to show what normal people think about these topics, not just maybe what higher elite people think about these topics. So we represent like the vox populi of this situation.
Ayon sa mga lumikha ng laro na sina RB Ting at Philip Lim, nagsimula ang Politricks bilang sagot sa mga dayuhan nilang kaibigang nagtatanong tungkol sa politika sa bansa.
We had to describe to them that it's not about, for example, it's not about party politics usually. It's not about platform usually. It's about personalities. It's about parties are being used as vehicles sometimes. So there are lots of things going on here which are different in terms of it has its own quirks. Philippine politics has its own quirks which we want to represent.
Ang nakakatawa o nakakabahala, totoo raw na nangyayari ang bawat dirty trick na nakalarawan sa Politricks.
We practically covered everything. We were watching the news every day. So we were talking to all of these groups, left-leaning, right-leaning. We spoke with people in UP, people who are elections watchdogs. So we spoke with lots of people and we covered everything, what everyone does.
Pero higit sa pampalipas oras, isang pagmulat din daw ang larong ito na lalong mahalaga ngayong paparating na eleksyon.
We're not saying that everyone is doing this. We applaud the politicians who transcend these politics. That's what we're doing. What we're showing people is people don't want to be lectured. People don't want to be they don't want to be, especially our generation, the millennials. They don't want to be lectured. They don't want to be told what to think. So we're showing them what it is, and they make their own judgments in social media, for example. They can make their own calls. When they're playing this with a group of people, they can make their own ideas up.
At Jessica, no, para dun sa mga interesado maglaro nito, no, gaya ng naunang sinabi ng mga creator nitong Politricks game, ay hindi pa ito commercially available at sa ngayon ay pwede itong malaro dito sa Snacks and Ladders Restaurant sa Baginhawa Street dito sa Quezon City. Pero meron silang Facebook page para dun sa mga interesado dun sa mismong laro, pwedeng i-search ang Politricks sa Facebook, sa inyong Facebook app or sa facebook.com para makakuha ng karagdagang impormasyon tungkol sa larong ito. Jessica?
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Dano Tingkungko, at sa iyong paandar.